Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, mag-unbox tayo ng Boya Mic. Yes! Yan, ito na guys yung in-order kong microphone sa Lazada. So, ang bilis ng shipping niya ba? By the way, so parang 3 days lang na-ship na sa bahay. Ngayon, nakarating niya lang. So, ayun, dito ako sa labas nag-film sa terrace ulit. And then, umuulan, tapos bukas yung radyo sa baba. So, para ma-test din natin yung talagang full potential ng camera, ng microphone, yung talagang magkakaroon ng improvement ng ating audio quality. So, I'm so happy and excited at the same time. And thank you sa nagbigay. So, galing siya guys ha. Special someone. Thank you so much. So, ayun, without further ado, let's start the unboxing. So, bilis na natin guys. Dahil excited na ako. So, ayun, syempre, nakabubble wrap. Nakikita ko na siya. Color. So, ayun. Tagal natin yung scotch tape. Ayan. Tagal natin yung bubble wrap. Ito na yung mic. Ito na yung Boya Universal Cardioid Microphone Boya Mic MM1. So, yan na siya guys. So, paggawa natin yung mga basura natin. So, ayun. Dito compatible with smartphones, tablet, DSLR cameras, consumer camcorders, audio recorders, etc. Compact and lightweight, directional mic. Rugged metal construction, no battery required, professional, furry windshield included. So, ayun. So, ayun yung mga emote niya. So, made in China. So, let's open the package. Excuse me guys. So, ayun, nakaka-excite. Shut up. Okay, guys, ito na siya. Okay, unahin mo natin itong shoe mount at tatawag dito. Hindi ko lang tawag dito eh. Okay. Yung gano'n wala man kasi. So, ayan, warranty card. So, ito yung manual. So, ayan. So, syempre hindi natin masyado binabasa. So, yung parts lang. Kailangan natin. Okay, so number 1. Ito siya yung furry windshield. Ito. Ito yung parang pusa. Ayan. And then, of course, yung microphone. Kasi nakalagay na siya dito eh. So ito yung microphone. Ito yung furry windshield. Pabalik natin. And then 3.5 audio jacket. Number 3, 3.5. I'm sure ng 3. Shock mount. So ito ang shock mount na tawag. So and then 3.5mm audio output cable. Number 5. Ito. Ito siya. And then 3.5mm TRS audio output cable. Number 6. So ito. So, ayun. And then, meron syempre yung pouch. Ayan. So, bali guys, ang nakalagay dito, ano ron difference nito and nito. So, ang nakalagay dito, this one daw guys is, ito yung connector for smartphone, tablet, or Mac. So, ito naman yung may curly, parang pigtail. Ito naman din for cameras, camcorders, and audio recorders. So, ayun. So, that's basically yung mga kasama sa package. So, nabili ko siya guys, 1,288 kasama yung shipping and handling. 50 pesos yung shipping and handling. So, kaya na lang divide or mag-deduct ng shipping kung magkano yung items na. Kasi medyo probinsya yung bahay namin kasi hindi siya naka-cover ng free shipping. So, ayun. So, good thing nakabili ako ng F-shoe mount sa Lazada rin na pwede natin ipatong itong camera. So, ngayon, umuulan. So, baka narinig yung mga drops ng mga water. And then, let's see kung kakaroon different. So, ngayon, okay, so let's do without the mic. So, ngayon, wala siyang mic. Let's see kung paano ulit. Okay, lagyan sa mic. Yung pa-L-shape yung sa mic. So, click natin here. And then, dito sa audio ng phone. Pero, lagyan na natin ito para hindi siya malagyan. Ayaw. Dito ba ito? Ano ba pinpush ko? Dito lang naman. May muna guys. Diba? Dito. Ano sila? Ayan! Diba? Alright. So, natin siya dito. Ayan, siniskipan ko lang guys para hindi siya magulo-gulo. So, ayan, save siya. Okay, so ayan guys, naset up ko na yung camera, yung camera and then yung Boya mic. So, ngayon, ito siya. Ito yung jack. So, ngayon, we're gonna test it. Plug ko yung mic sa audio port. So, ayan guys, naka-on na yung mic. Naka-on na yung microphone. Naka-connect na yung microphone rather. So, ayan, let's see kung may makapansin ko yung difference. And, umuulan pa rin sa labas as you can see. So, ayan pa rin yung kalagayan sa labas. I'm still using the microphone. Naka-on pa rin siya. So, balik tayo sa front cam. Ayan guys, so, nakakabit pa rin yung cam. So, umuulan pa rin. May mga tricycle pa rin namadaan. Nakakabit pa rin si Boya mic. So, I'm not sure kung merong difference in terms of audio kayong napapansin. So, ayan. Natanggalin ko siya. Tanggalin ko si mic. Si Boya mic. So, ayan. Tanggal siya guys. Okay, as you can see, tinanggal ko ulit yung jack. So, let's see kung meron siyang difference. So, may dumadang tricycle, may umuulan, and all. So, ayan siya. Narinig pa yung mga patake. Ayan, perfect. May dumadang tricycle. O, ayan. Di ba, bass mode si Kuya. So, balik natin yung mic. So, ayun. Nabalik ko yung mic. Nabalik ko na yung microphone. So, ayun. Mamaya check natin. Mamaya ko pa lang malalaman kung may difference in terms of audio. Kasi, syempre, hindi ko naman check ngayon since nag-record tayo. So, and then mamaya papasok ko sa kwarto ko and then check ko kung kaya niyang ma-eliminate yung electric fan na noise. Kasi normally yun yung mga problema ng mga YouTuber. Pag nag-outdoor vlog, may parang hangin effect na sound dun sa video nila. So, ayun. Pasok tayo sa loob, guys. Let's see kung kaya ni Boya mic yung electric fan na noise. Okay? And guys, I'm back sa room ko. And then, as you can see, yung electric fan is nakabukas. So, nag-vlog tayo pa rin without the microphone on it. So, now, let's see kung ma-eliminate yung sound. So, yung noise. Okay, so here's with the Boya mic. With the microphone on. It's on. So, ayan. So, ayan. With microphone on. Pag tinanggal natin, let's see kung nangyari. So, ayan. Tinanggal ko siya. And see kung may difference. So, balik natin siya, guys. So, ayan. Nakabalik na siya ulit. So, there you go. Let's see kung may difference ba talaga or kung wala. So, ayan. Really love this Boya mic because it gives my video a clear audio, a much better audio, not unlike before, since before ginagamit ko lang yung external camera, external microphone ng phone ko. So ngayon, I can say na makakapag-produce na tayo ng magandang audio, decente and all, and I'm just so happy and excited to create more content. And syempre, of course, sa taong nagbigay nito, I really love it. I really appreciate the gift and I love it. So, thank you so much. You know who you are. Hindi na kita pangalanan. Kasi you know how much I love you. And okay, if you like this video, just give this video a thumbs up if you think that it's helpful. Comment down below, and then as of this time, kabit pa rin yung camera natin, and then nasa labas pa rin tayo ng bahay with the ulan and all. So I'm so happy on this particular purchase. It's really affordable compared sa other brand or sa other type ng mic. So ayun, my name again is Waf, and thank you so much for watching. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And for those who already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. Happy holidays. And sa mga hindi pa nagka-subscribe, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell on the side so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Okay? So again, happy holidays, and my name again is Waf. Thank you for watching. Have a great hair day. Bye for now. Wow.